Hi, I'm Michele Newman, the Psychic Sound Healer, here with the Love Vibe. Hmm. We have this beautiful Tibetan bronze bowl singing to us for the Pisces New Moon. Ah, it's time to honor yourself in a big and beautiful way, and do some spring cleaning. Clean out your stuff, clean out your junk, clean out your closet, clean out. It's really important to do some emotional cleaning, to uh, get rid of fears, regrets, disappointments, anger, betrayal, loss, shame, and any other emotional baggage that you're carrying. We all have the junk, the garbage. I see this so often with my clients, and one of the things that my spirit guide brings through is this analogy, and that is to imagine in your kitchen, would you allow the garbage to overflow from the garbage can? How about 30 years of overflowing garbage? The garbage in the kitchen would be 5 or 10 feet high from 30 years of junk not being taken out to the garbage can and hopefully going to recycling and landfill if needed. We have to take the garbage out. I know you would never allow the garbage to build up in your kitchen. And yet, because it's supposedly unseen, although we all see it and we all definitely feel it, the emotional garbage just builds up. It builds up in our psyche, it builds up in our aura, it builds up in our blood, it builds up in our body, it builds up in our minds and our spirit. And we react and respond to different situations based on the garbage that's inside of us. And so many people in their healing, as my spirit guides lead them through the healing process, need to just clean out that garbage. And we always say, take it out of your body, take it out of your heart, take that pain out of your heart and just throw it out the window and give it to Mother Earth because she will compost it. We say, thank you, Mother. Thank you for composting this garbage that I don't need anymore. I'm done. Down in the solar plexus, we all carry so much stuff in our gut. Why do you think so many people have digestive issues? Or they go, oh, I have that gut feeling, and their stomach starts churning and all that stuff. Your solar plexus is holding so much emotions from so many different situations. You can think of all your own situations where your guts are just churning and turning and no wonder we have digestive issues and all gas and bloated and we get all gaseous because clean it out, clean it out, get rid of it, just take it out of your body, take it out of your aura, take it out of your mind, get it out of those loops that keep replaying of, oh, why didn't I do that? And why didn't so and so do that? And or, oh, I'm heartbroken, or I lost this or that, or there's so many different situations. And it isn't easy to just say, okay, I'm going to clean the floor and it's done. I'm going to clean my mind and it's done. We understand it's a process, but start now. This is a perfect time. So clean it out, and clean it out again. And while you're at it, do a physical cleaning. It's great, good time. Spring cleaning is a good time for a physical cleanse. Find a good guidance for cleansing yourself. There's so many different ways to do it. You want to clean out your body, your heart, your mind, your soul, all aspects of your being. Clean out because that is how we honor ourselves. That is the way to give yourself the biggest honor of all, to take good care of your body, to allow allow your emotions to just go away. I'm done with that one. I don't need that anymore. Thank it. Say thank you for your service and just ask yourself, what have you learned? What did you learn from that? And say, I got the learning. The junk is now going away. It's time for you to learn, understand the learning, face it in the mirror and say, okay, this is the reality. This is what I've got. And once you got the lesson, discard. Done. It's like those old school books you don't need anymore. Done. Learn that. So it's time to really open yourself up to your inspiration, your creativity, your imagination, and all of the beautiful love and hope and the vision that you have for living mandala of your being. We all have this beautiful mandala we're dancing in. Our souls have our lovely dance we're doing on this planet, in this dimension, this particular lifetime mandala, whatever you are expressing. It's truly time to hold that vision, to really say, I know who I am and I'm dancing it now. Or I'm singing it, or I'm acting it, or I'm being it, or I am taking action. I'm doing that thing because that's who I know I am. I have one client who's an incredible writer, and spirit guides are saying, you've got to write, you've got to publish. And there's a little challenge going on, or a few challenges, you understand. And all this person needs to do is write. That's what that's what the soul is saying. And so what is it that it's all you have to do? You say, oh, it's so hard, I can't get to it. All you have to do is do it. Yeah. So honor yourself during this Pisces New Moon and stay in a high vibration. Just stay in the highest vibration you can. Do exactly what you really love to do, with joy, with laughter, with beauty. I went for a beautiful walk in the sunshine today in nature. I just kissed the plants and the trees and honored the brook, listened to the water. The water was singing to me. It was literally making a beautiful music. I was amazed. It sounded like it wasn't just the usual music. It was an amazing symphony, a song that the water was singing to me. And then tonight, I've got a date with my husband, hot tub sauna. We're going to just have a lovely time. I bless you that you do exactly what it is that you need for honoring yourself and for truly being in the motion of loving and loving yourself and your highest inspiration. So here's a high vibrational sound for you. And I am Michele, the psychic sound healer, here with the love vibe, ready to help you whenever you need it. Call me, email me. See you soon. Hmm.